160,000, yippee! Welcome to my 160,000 mile update on my 2013 Tesla Model S P85 Plus. This car has been with me for approximately 3 years, and it has been flawless and maintenance free, except for tires, a tail light, and some ceramic coat that I had to have done to kind of make the paint pop again. The ceramic coat is really good. It doesn't protect against rock chips, which you can see this car, it does have rock chips, but for daily use as far as bugs and dirt and grime, it's really great. Now, there are some wear items that I do need to get fixed that I haven't, like these door hinges. I tried to spray some lithium grease on there, but that didn't really fix it, so I need to replace the driver's side door hinges. And the leather seats are showing some wear, which I do need to get those cleaned. And then there's some cracking here on the leather after 10 years of use. Now this car does have the carbon fiber package and MCU2 upgrade. So you get the Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, car karaoke, all that good stuff. Here you can see where you get into the rear seat, there's some wear spots there that as you get in. But as far as maintenance goes, this car has been completely maintenance free its whole life. There's some more carbon fiber wear. But yeah, there's really nothing to replace. I mean, the battery's still original. Don't judge me on my car, it's kind of messy. I do use it for work every day. So if you're in the market for a used Tesla Model S, I highly recommend you get at least one with autopilot, which would be a 2015 or higher. And go out and have fun and get yourself a P90D or P100D. You can pick those up for just over $30,000 now. And like I said, this car, other than a few scratches and blemishes, has been virtually maintenance free for me. Because I am driving 30,000 miles a year, my power bill has gone up about $90 a month, which is a lot. But compared to the gas I'd be spending, it's a small price to pay. And I do have a full charge of 220 miles versus the about 250 miles when it was new. So after 160,000 miles, that's pretty good. Now, the rear camber wear on the tire has been corrected because I did put in the adjustable rear camber arms, and that took away the tire wear that I used to have. But all in all, it's been a maintenance-free car. So if you guys have any questions about electric cars or buying an electric car, please let me know, and I'll gladly answer any questions you guys have. And go out there and test drive a Tesla. You will be amazed. The charging infrastructure and the dependability, you guys are going to just love driving electric.